The biggest and the best celebrities in fashion, pinarangalan. Muling nagpatalbugan ang mga pinakamagaganda sa showbiz as Star Studio Magazine in its 10th anniversary held its first ever Celebrity Style Awards. And the good news, runaway winners din pagdating sa fashion ng ating mga kapamilya. Ilan sa mga nagwagi ay sina Agot Isidro as the most stylish kontrabida, Viola Pascual as the most stylish leading man, Kim Chu as the most stylish leading lady, most stylish comedian naman si Vice Ganda, while Tony Gonzaga was hailed as the most stylish comedian. Pasok din sa elite list sina Angel Aquino at Daphne Osenia Paez as the most stylish female hosts. Most stylish female performer naman si Sara Geronimo, while most stylish male performer si Billy Crawford. Gretchen Barreto, who's always gorgeous sa magkarebal, meanwhile, got the red carpet style award together with Piolo Pascual.
Thank you very much to Star Studio Publishing and to ABS-CBN for this recognition. Maraming salamat. I'm more inspired to be better in whatever I do, like for fashion. Hindi lang sa pag-aartista. I think fashion is really my first love. And so, may our love for fashion continue for all eternity.
Congratulations Star Studio for your 10th anniversary and sa daming beses na nakagrace ng cover ninyo ng magazine. I'm just so happy that I'm celebrating your anniversary.
Masaya dahil Star Studio people are like family to me dahil kilala ko na sila for quite some time and malapit sila sa puso. I always support the activities and yung mga projects ng Star Studio.